the report of Sarah report. Sarah report cannot report what did not happen. Some people have said so or planned so before it reach Sarah reports, before they report it out. They are medium house. They cannot frame anything to say. And I believe that these people, Southeast politicians that went to collude with the Southeast governors are still the same Southeast governors. And their organics who like them in the politics. Southeast governors, politicians, can be those senators that have sought their hand into evil against Biafrans and against Nnamdi. Okay, if a former senator can allocate land for Fulani herdsmen in Southeast, and the current ones can locate land to Fulani herdsmen in Biafra land, do you think that those people will allow Nnamdi to come out? They will not allow them to come out. Because to dislodge Fulani, to dislodge Fulani occupation, not occupy Biafra land, is one of the things that made Nnamdi to start agitating for restoration of Biafra. Because under one Nigeria, Fulani will get what they want. But under Biafra, they cannot get what they want in the land of Biafra. People like this, people like that will do it. Those people that have embezzled governors, both current and S, that embezzled the money that they get from government of Nigeria as allocation, and the internal revenue they generated from their states, will not allow Nnamdi to come out. Those governors that will use force to acquire people's land, claim people's land to be theirs, claim community land to be theirs, not only governors, both senators. It's only rep we miss that it's a little fair, but governors and senators from Southeast, all of them have sought their hand in evil against their people. They will not allow Nnamdi to come out. They will go there and say, release him in the daytime. We don't agree, we not agree like in the daytime. They will go back in the darkness and see the government. Don't mind them, don't release him. If release him, our own have finished. Those Southeast Nigerian politicians and rich men that call themselves Igbos and Biafrans, that masterminded the kidnapping of Nnamdi, the operation of the pattern dance, they will never allow Nnamdi to come out. Because if they allow him to come out, their deed will be exposed. So they will not to do anything. If never it's possible for Nnamdi to die there, they will do it so that they will cover their deeds, evil deeds, and they'll be going along the street, shoulder high, claiming that they are something, where they are nothing but evil. They are nothing but evil. They will not allow Nnamdi to come out. And even the DOS, a more powerful, that is saying, we know your ways, we know what you are doing, whatever will happen in Southeast, we are aware of it. That is what I call cover up, camouflage. As if they are fair to Nnamdi, are they not part of the people that betrayed Nnamdi? Are they not in the meeting who to kidnap Nnamdi? Now they want to exempt themselves and let us see them that they are fighting for Nnamdi and for Biafra. Look, let me tell you, Pampa Play, for the whole world, no any group now under IPOB that is fighting for restoration of Biafra and the final release of Nnamdi than IPOB autopilot controlled by Simon Ekpa under Biafran government in exile, which someone like is the prime minister. That's the only people that are genuinely now, I know, that are genuinely now fighting for restoration of Biafra, real fighting for restoration of Biafra, and the release of Nnamdi. That is why federal government is crying. Get someone else. Ohanes is crying. Get someone else. Even the Igbo politicians, Igbo governors, the same people that they say that are lobbying for Nnamdi release, the same people are crying for, are calling, crying out, calling for the head of Samuel Ekpa. How can people stand against Samuel Ekpa, then now try to favor Nnamdi? What is the same gold Nnamdi and Samuel Ekpa are pursuing? What is the same Nnamdi that Samuel Ekpa want to be released? What is the same Nnamdi that sit at home is continue holding up to today? And the people that were against it at home, the people who are against Samuel Ekpa, how do you think that will come now to say Nnamdi should be released? All of them are hypocrites, deceivers. All of them are children of Bilam. All of them are wolves in a sheep clothing. Arumere. Don't mind them. DOS, Imapa Wafu, the spokesman and the image maker of IPOB DOS. Now, start to, anytime you come and talk, anytime you come and say something, and what he says is what is paining me. Are they not the one criticizing Nnamdi? I mean, criticizing someone Ekpa that is working with the federal government, where somebody is one that is fighting seriously for restoration of Biafra and release of Nnamdi. Eh? In map of common society, we know those people that have meet Southeast governors for them to go and tell federal government not to release Nnamdi. Before, is federal government ready to release Nnamdi? Before, is federal government willing to release Nnamdi? All this is a political movement to deceive those who did not understand them. But we, the real Biafrans, under Samuel Ekpa, IPOB autopilot, we have known them. Look, let me tell you, if a thief fail to become rich for that first year, no, if a liar fail to be rich for that very first year, he start lying. The next year, people will know him as a liar, and he cannot be rich again. So both the Mapa Wafo and Chinasanworu and their IPOB DOS, if for the first time they deceive people, now they cannot deceive people again. People have known them, that they are no more struggling for Biafra. Remember, there was a time Governor Soludo of Anambra State said now the unknown government have been known. And those unknown government that have been known are repentant IPOB, DOS. Those that are working with the government now, have they ever said, we have known unknown government is someone and his group, IPOB autopilot? Have ever heard it? Or have any time that Army Chief of Staff, Lieutenant General Christopher Musa, crying out, get to Chinasanworu, get to Mapa Wafo, get to Chike Dozie, get Ikeguragu, get Paul Achebe. Have you ever seen when they are trying to get some people like that than to get someone Ekpa, get someone Ekpa? Because Samuel Ekpa is the real person standing for Nnamdi. Now the OS will come and say, we know you. Whatever you are doing in the Southeast, know what you do. IPOB will not know you. Yes, IPOB will know, because IPOB is the part and parcel of government now. They are part and parcel of politicians in Southeast. They are part and parcel of federal government of Nigeria. Therefore, they have to know whatever is going on, because they are the ones that planning it. They are not the people that are planning it. They will know that. But coming up to tell me, say, some people, they are among the people that don't want, that are colliding with the governors to stop the release of Nnamdi. Forget all this one they are doing. Igbo governors, Southeast governors, what them got to release. Now lie. They went there against Sam Onekpa to plot how to send suicide bombers against Sam Onekpa in Finland. Taking Nnamdikanu release to cover up so that people will not be questioning what the people go there to do. And the Southeast senators went to see the government. Went to see the government to come and went to see the government to release Nnamdikanu. All of them are jokers. I never believe all those Igbo politicians, Igbo rich men.
But you see, Obasanjo come and say that they didn't discuss anything as regards Nnamdikanu. So why is it the difference in what Obasanjo is saying and what the Southeast governors?
This is what I'm telling you, that they are hypocrites. They are wolf in a sheep clothing, seeking him to devour. They are a roaring lion that is hungry. They look for money. That whether their paymaster, Fulani government of Nigeria, will still giving them money. See what Obasanjo said. For you to confirm the truth. Can Obasanjo come out and say lie? An elderly statement like that. Can he come out and say, see what we discuss? Whatever Obasanjo tell you in that meeting is reality, is the truth. You know, Obasanjo don't have friend, and they don't have enemy. Whenever you do that one that is, he doesn't understand. He disassociate himself from you. That's his own life. So Obasanjo cannot come out and say that they did not discuss anything concerning Nnamdikanu. When they discussed, na lie. So what Obasanjo said that the place he go, nothing like the issue of Nnamdikanu there. How much to talk of his release is truth. Now they come out and tell us they are talking to release Nnamdikanu. Lie from the pit of hell. Children of Balaam. Their father is a devil, and the devil is a father of lie. He has been lie from the beginning, so his children will follow him to lie. That's our Southeast politicians. You understand? So forget about whatever they are saying. Both IPOB, DOS, governors, senators, politicians from the Southeast of Nigeria. They are not Biafra. They are not working for Biafra. They are not working for the interest of Nnamdikanu. They are only working to abolish Biafra and to put Nnamdikanu in a tight corner that can never be able to come out. And our land will be taken by Fulani. As our land will be taken by Fulani, they will carry their children and run to oversee. Like Willie Obialong, after handing over, he went to oversee with his children. All of them, both to Uzodinma, all of them that are governor and ex-governor, are their children in Nigeria they are fighting for. In their one Nigeria, are their children in one Nigeria. Look at Ekweremadu. See how God is paying him. Now he's in Britain, in prison. He's serving prison terms in UK. These people are people destroying Biafra. All the money he collected for his senatorial zone to develop it, where is that money? He embezzled it. So it's all those senators that are going around now. They will show us, we said, by the order of mess, somebody mess from his news. From that order, we take it to know how shit is test, will be test if you put it in your mouth. Their senatorial zone, the development money they give them to develop their senatorial zone is how they develop it. We take to know how they have their people in heart. When is that development? Where is that money? As Ekweremadu is paying the debt now, so will all of them pay. Do Ekweremadu believe that it's an outside nation, outside Nigeria, that God will judge him and sentence him? His political career is dead now, because when he come out, he will be an ex-convict, unless Fulani government of Nigeria still want to use him. They say we are giving him pardon so that he be 2,000,000% loyal to them in the political arena. That's what they can do for him. So will all these senators, those wolves in the sheep clothing, say they're representing Igbo people in their one Nigeria federal level. So will all of them pass through what Ike Kuremad is passing. The reps that put their hand behaving like them will be the same thing. The governors, their judgment have already passed and the seal. Those ones are thinking that the devil have sealed their heart with a hot iron. With a hot iron, devil have sealed their heart with a hot iron. The people like Uzodema, they have no repentance. Their judgment have been passed. They have judged, passed and sealed. Remaining the execution of it. You know what I'm telling you. So all of them, both Imma Powerful and his IPOB DOS and other governors, they should pardon their canoe one side. We have known them. They should go.